jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me, I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pot.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new, spooky. I call them thing one and thing two. They are oh so tame. They are no, we're not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
The way that they play. Mother didn't know what would she say? Your mother is near. Those hands disappear. There's something to do. You have to get rid of it.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our games. What shame that that Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you? Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
I just got off Cat in the Hat, and I love that ride. It's one of my favorite dark rides. A lot of my friends that come here with me never want to ride it because they always think it's a kiddie's ride, and it is, but it is fun. It's fun for children and adults alike. All of the people that come here with me, that I pretty much drag them onto it, they always get off happy and smiling. It's really fun to see the young children's reactions while they're on there. It is a ton of fun.